We just come back. And we're like,
No, guys.
what you gonna do for the same thing, guys? Shake it, see, guys. Make it nice and fizzy. After you go. Put the green in. Yeah.
No.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we like. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and it's Olathree boys. If you're wondering why there's only two of us and we're being a little bit sneaky, it is because. Do you want to explain?
Yeah.
Go on.
We're
going to prank Bull. So basically, Bull is at one of his friend's house doing only God knows, playing Fortnite, crying, eating food, crying, eating food, crying. He does a lot of crying. And when he loses, he does a lot of crying. Yeah. So we have slime over there ready to dump it on his head when he gets back. We don't have a lot of time to make this. We're gonna do our best to make it. But guys, the one thing we need to make sure that we do, we have to make our slime liquidy. Very, very liquidy. Dapo, do you know why? Yes. We have to put the cream into everything. It needs to be liquidy, so when you dump it on Bully's head, just zoom. He'll feel the liquid, not because if it wasn't liquidy, it would just go in his head and it will stay there. We want it to go, that's what we want.
Yeah.
Okay guys, let's get straight into it and let's start making the slime. Dapo, what do we need first? You guys, we got the glue. Dump it, put it in. Not too much, I don't need all of it. Yeah, squeeze it with your strong arms. Come on, show everyone your superpower. Squeeze. Yeah, a little bit more, maybe a little bit, yeah. Squeeze the last one, big chop. 1, 2, 3. There we go. What should we put on next? Oh, yeah, let me try. Let me do this one. It's the shaving cream. What you gonna do for the same cream, guys? Shake it, see, guys. Make it nice and fizzy. After you go. And that's enough. Wow, so what's next? The glitter. We'll do the glitter. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, red and green Christmas colours. Yeah. Yeah, red and green. Put the green in. Yeah.
No.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we like. Now it's the pinky glitter. Ooh. Let me do my name. And now for the activator, right? Get the activator. Guys, now we're putting the activator. We're gonna make it into nice slime. What are you doing? Pow.
Let me see.
Come on. There we go. Mix it. Stir the pods. That's what we want to see. Ooh. Dapo, do you need some help? Do more.
No.
Dapo, can I try? Excuse Dapo. Excuse. A little bit more. Dapo, let me try a little bit.
If we put it to something.
Guys, we need more water. There we go. Oh, that is lovely. This is lovely slime. We are evolving our slime technique. I feel like a witch when they're making their potion. 1 drop of glitter, 1 drop of glue. It is
Ready.
Guys, our slime is it's too good. Guys, the technique for pouring on Bully's head, when I start to get him walking from the door, we'll surprise him from the kitchen and we'll go just he'll be like we just come back and we'll be like
No, guys, this is the technique. You guys have to stay outside because I don't want to mess with the sitting room. Yeah, you guys have to pour him outside. I will bring him outside to you.
So we can go outside?
Yeah, yeah. The way we hide it. Let's hide it on inside here.
Why are we hiding it there or going outside?
No, it's not coming in now, isn't it? Yeah, let's hide it inside there.
Inside where?
Inside, underneath there. No, open that thing.
What?
Open it up.
It's opened.
Yeah.
I've lived here for how many years and I never knew. Can you imagine?
Just let's wait for Bull. Do Do you enjoy your friend place?
Yeah. We played lots of games. We did Arts and Crafts, Fortnite, playing Roblox.
Oh yeah? How is the family?
Good. They gave me some food too.
Wow, what do you eat?
They're not giving me chips and a little biscuit.
Okay, good. Do you know what? Michael Dapo, you are trying to prank you.
No, not.
Trust me.
Are they?
They make a slime and they want to put the slime on you.
Is they?
Now we are going to prank them. You are going to take the slime and go into your room and pour the slime on them. Does that sound exciting?
Yeah.
That's exciting, isn't it? Yeah, high five. Good.
I'm gonna put on that boy. I'm gonna say, ah.
No,
Ah.
pour your mostly Michael's hair for being naughty brother. You know.
We're pranking a pranker, but that's not really a pranker. Only Michael. But do you feel they're not gonna be hiding?
Yeah, they're gonna be hiding.
Oh, that's gonna be good.
No, they're not hiding. I'll make them hiding. You know. Just stay in the car. I will not close the door. You sneak inside. Then I'll put the slime in your room window. Then when Michael started talking, introducing the video, you will just pour all the slime on top of them.
We'll save a little bit for that one and like.
No. Pour everything on Michael because. One minute. Let me make sure. Put this thing in the car.
Come on, pass back. Okay, I'm fighting you anyway. So you better fight back or you lose. Or you lose. And you're not running. I'm faster than you. Get back. Why are you fighting now, my friends? Face the camera.
Alright, guys. Start the video.
Okay, guys.
Today we are pranking Bolo.
Guys, today we're pranking Bolo.
Bolo, you miss it. Your slime. Where are you going? You are sad. You are lucky that the thing did not pour on you. But why do you miss it?
It's not my fault. We'll put a
Eh?
We'll put
I know you want to prank Bolo, but Bolo have another plan to prank you. Why do you miss? Banji, you surprised, isn't it? You are lucky that it's not getting on you.
I'm not surprised at all.
Why?
I already saw.
You saw him. Is that why you move away from there?
Yeah.
Bolo, you make sound. Why do you make sound there? You're supposed to put it in there. Let's see. Double, let me see your shoe. Double, get some slime on your shoe. Might get a little bit on your shoe as well. Bolo, unlucky. Then you get some on your clothes. You that supposed to be prank, you get some on your clothes.
Okay, guys, we were meant to prank Bolo, but Bolo pranked us. Bolo missed his shot. I don't know how. Next time, hopefully he misses his shot again. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and it's Olathree.